Ideas. It's not about having ideas alone. It's about transforming those great ideas into reality. Calling the attention of entrepreneurs and startups in India and the United States. Recognizing that innovation supported by a vibrant entrepreneurial ecosystem is the key to success in translating the fruits of scientific labor into products and services of utility for public good. The Indo-U.S. Science and Technology Forum administers the US-India Science and Technology Endowment Fund, or USISTEF, which is a competitive grants program that selects and supports technologically sound and financially promising joint US-India entrepreneurial initiatives that address the theme of commercializing technologies for societal impact. These initiatives can originate from government, academic, non-governmental or commercial entities, and any combination thereof provided they focus on applied R&D to address an unmet need, incorporate a business plan, and can demonstrate commercial viability and market potential of the concept. Grant in aid support is provided to such startup initiatives up to the extent of 2.5 crore rupees or $400,000 US. The program supports bilateral projects in two broad areas: healthy individual and empowering citizens. I see you are interested. Let's check. So you have an exciting innovation that has a strong S&T component, a sound business plan to adequately support taking the innovation to the market. Commercially viable with distinct potential to commercialize over the next 2 to 3 years. It is socially impactful and relevant and possibly addresses an unmet need. Have a binational team, that is, at least one partner each in the US and India, with at least one of them being a commercial entity. All checks? Well, you are good to go, and the application process is super simple. Just visit the USISTEF webpage, create a login ID, and you're ready to begin. Section 1 asks for basic information: names, addresses, contacts. Simple. Section 2 is where you give us a summary of your project. This section helps provide an overview to your innovation. So, bring in the wow factor when you fill out this part. Next up is Section 3. Now this is where you need to share with us your detailed proposal and business plan. Tell us more about your innovation, your team, the strength of the collaboration between the Indian and US partners, and your business plan. In Section 4, you will need to provide all the details about your funding requirement. Your projections should be realistic. Please refrain from overstating the funding needed. Finally, Section 5 is the declaration. Read it carefully before submitting. Don't forget that submissions are not considered complete until both the Indian and the US partners approve the submission. And there, you're done. The US-India Science and Technology Endowment Fund supports exciting and innovative projects that have the potential to create tangible social impact across the globe. And your team could well be our next grantee.